Hello and welcome back to another episode of Words Well Read, where words rule and we make learning fun. Today, we have something special in store for you. We are going to explore two words that are sure to send a shiver down your spine. Let's get started. First up, we have sepulchre. Sepulchre. It's not your everyday word, but it's definitely worth knowing. So, what does it mean? Well, a sepulchre is a burial place or a tomb, typically an underground chamber. For example, the ancient king was laid to rest in a grand sepulchre adorned with ornate carvings and sculptures. Here is another sentence example. The spooky sepulchre in the graveyard was rumored to be haunted by ghosts of ancient knights. But hey, don't worry, we won't be visiting any sepulchres today. Now, on to our second word, lycanthropy. Lycanthropy. It's a term that might send chills down your spine. Lycanthropy is a mythical condition where a person believes they can transform into a wolf or a wolf-like creature. For example, in some cultures, lycanthropy is believed to be a curse that can be passed down through generations. Here is another sentence example. I hope to return to lycanthropy one day soon. Watch out for those full moons, folks. Who knows? Maybe you will encounter a real lycanthrope. Just kidding, folks. It's all just folklore and legends. But it's fun to explore these mysterious words and their meanings, right? Words like these are keys that open doors to new worlds of imagination. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more word mysteries revealed. Thanks for watching.